Now then, step 1, how to remove the side covers on the CBR600. Fucking tilt you can. Right, fuck off. You can see. There we are. A little plastic retaining thing here. Rotate that quarter turn. So it's released. Okay. Behind this edge here, you got a rubber retainer thing. Just fucking pull it. Not with the screwdriver. And then there's another one around here. I think. Yeah, pull. Ooh. Okay. And just carefully maneuver it out, like so. Put that away safely. There you go. Side cover exposed. Do the same on the other side. Okay. Broken camera. Don't know if you can see a crack. Step 2. Removing the seat. So, very simple. 2 13mm bolts, this side and that side. That side's got a bit of surprise for me. Oh shit. It's my face. Apologies. And you see? Oh look! There's a bolt missing. Thank you very much, Stephen. Right. Get me. $30mm ratchet. On loose. Ah, it's already hand loose. Great. There we are. Okay, step 3, removing the battery cover. Okay, let's go. Right. This is the battery cover here. So you've got 2 8mm bolts there and a 5mm Allen key bolt there. Very easy peasy. Don't drop that, lose that fucker. In fact, these things, magnetic bit tray, very handy. Stop you losing your shit. So, moving this bolt. Oh, don't forget the washer. Looks like that bolt's changed at some point. And then a 5mm Allen. Set on loose. There we are. There we are, battery cover. Next step, move the battery. Step 4, move the battery. This bike don't currently start. I suspect the battery's boot. Okay. So, very simple. Top of the battery terminals here, you've got two 10mm bolts. You can open it with just a socket, or you can open it with a cross screwdriver. Okay, so let's undo them. Righty tighty, lifty loosey, don't forget. Oh shit, that is the wrong way. That's already pretty loose already. That's pretty loose already. So undo them. Oh, that's really confusing. You've got earth, yellow and green stripes on the positive side. That's really helpful. Don't want to confuse matters. And we'll put that on there. Sorry if the camera angle is shit. Okay. Okay, that's that one off. I like to put the screws back in. So I'll put in my tray. So I don't lose them. It looks like there's nothing else holding the battery down, so it should just be able to come out, I think. Might be wrong. Oh, yeah, here we go. Right, let's take it to the bench for testing. Okay. Test it with the old multimeter. This is a 12-volt battery, so let's test the voltage. So let's put it to 20-volt setting. Okay. Let's just test the leads first, actually, because this multimeter leads were a bit pooped. Working okay, back to 20. So positive in there. So you can see that. Getting 5.6 volts. So this battery needs a charge, but as far as I've been told, this has been charged already, and it still went flat pretty quick. So I think this battery's pooped.